This is chicken tahine with figs and honey. It is a North African dish, Moroccan, and couscous. Those are carrots, cilantro. It's been quite the labor of love today. Here's all the building it over here. Here's the chicken.
Oops. Excuse me.
The couscous. Lemon juice. What about this lemon juice? Oh no! Wait a minute. Oh, stop the presses. The lemon juice to finish the sauce.
Oh,
wow. Oh, where's the book?
wow.
Okay. Look at that. Oh, that looks perfect. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay. Here we go. We'll have the lemon next time. Chicken tahine.
No,
No, tagine. Excuse me, tagine.